6 Best UX Training Courses to Elevate Your Design Skills. User experience design plays a crucial role in creating intuitive and delightful digital experiences. As the demand for skilled UX designers continues to grow, investing in professional training courses can provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this field. We will explore 5 of the best UX training courses available online that can help you enhance your design skills and stay ahead of the curve. UX Design Fundamentals by Interaction Design Foundation IDF. The IDF offers a comprehensive course on UX design fundamentals, suitable for beginners and those looking to solidify their foundational knowledge. This course covers essential topics such as user research, information architecture, interaction design, and usability testing. With a focus on practical exercises and real-world examples, this course provides a strong foundation in UX design principles. User Experience Research and Design by Coursera. Offered by the University of Michigan, this Coursera course provides a comprehensive overview of UX research and design. It covers topics such as user-centered design, prototyping, and usability testing. Through a combination of video lectures, readings, and hands-on assignments, this course equips you with the skills needed to create user-centric designs. Axure RP10 and UX Course Skills by Axure Boutique. AxureBoutique.com offers articles, tutorials, and courses to help users improve their skills and stay updated with the latest UX design trends. This course will take your prototyping skills to the next level and help you enhance your designing abilities. Whether you're new to the tech or internet industry or an experienced UI/UX practitioner, this course is designed to provide you with valuable knowledge and practical skills. UX Design, From Concept to Prototype by LinkedIn Learning. Led by Diane Cronenwet, a UX designer and instructor, this LinkedIn Learning course focuses on the end-to-end UX design process. It covers topics such as user research, ideation, wireframing, and prototyping. With practical exercises and insights from industry professionals, this course provides a holistic understanding of UX design and its practical application. Design Thinking, The Beginner's Guide by Udemy. Design thinking is a problem-solving approach widely used in UX design. This Udemy course introduces you to the principles and methodologies of design thinking. It covers topics such as empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of design thinking and how to apply it to create innovative and user-centered solutions. UX Design Bootcamp by General Assembly. General Assembly offers an immersive UX design bootcamp that provides a comprehensive learning experience. This course covers the entire UX design process, from user research and wireframing to prototyping and usability testing. With hands-on projects, expert guidance, and industry-relevant curriculum, this bootcamp equips you with the skills and portfolio needed to kickstart your career in UX design. Investing in UX training courses can significantly enhance your design skills and open up new opportunities in the field of user experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, these courses offer valuable insights, practical exercises, and industry-relevant knowledge to help you excel in UX design. So, choose the course that aligns with your skill level and career goals, and embark on a journey of continuous learning and growth in the dynamic field of UX design.